Let's take a closer look at QuickBooks integration in the Core4. In this video, we'll review how to push records from FileMaker to QuickBooks. QuickBooks integration requires purchasing, installing, and registering the FMBooks connector plugin. Here on the Contacts tab, you'll have options to push a single contact or push a found set to QuickBooks. To do so, navigate to Core, QuickBooks Integration, and here we have the pushing options. Push Customer Single, Push Customers Found Set, and you could also view in QuickBooks. First, let's push this one record. I'll select Push Customer Single. The contact was successfully pushed to QuickBooks. This record was added to QuickBooks as a new customer. After you push a contact to QuickBooks, a QB list ID will be generated here. Next, let's view this record in QuickBooks. Select Core, QuickBooks Integration, View in QuickBooks. And here is the record conveniently opened in QuickBooks. John Smith was populated in the name fields because John is the first linked contact in the sort order. When pushing contacts from the Core to QuickBooks, please note that you cannot push individual child records from a QuickBooks import. Child records only exist if you pulled in separate company and individual records from QuickBooks as discussed in the pulling video. Let's navigate to the Items tab. To push items to QuickBooks, navigate to Core, QuickBooks Integration, and we can push the single item, push the found set of items, or view the item in QuickBooks. I'll select View in QuickBooks. And here we can see the item as it appears in QuickBooks. On the More Info tab, we can see the QuickBooks list ID as well as the additional QuickBooks information. Items without a list ID in the Core will be pushed to QuickBooks as new items. If I were to modify any information, the Refresh QB checkbox would be marked, indicating that the item needs to be refreshed in QuickBooks. Let's push this item to QuickBooks now. Select Core, QuickBooks Integration, Push Item Single. Next, let's go to the Invoices tab. Invoices follow a similar suit where you go to Core, QuickBooks Integration, View in QuickBooks, push the single invoice, or push the found set. I'll push this single invoice. On the More Info tab, we have the list ID and the QuickBooks invoice number. Invoices in the Core without a list ID will be pushed to QuickBooks as new invoices. This checkbox indicates that the invoice needs to be refreshed in QuickBooks if any information was updated in the Core. Invoices that have payments applied to them cannot be deleted because the payment must be deleted first. Let's add a payment to this invoice, and let's review pushing payments. Each time you save a payment, you'll be prompted to push it to QuickBooks. I'll select Yes. The payment was successfully exported to QuickBooks. If I navigate to the details of the payment, we can see this indicator that the payment exists in QuickBooks. Select this button to view the payment in QuickBooks. And here's the payment open in QuickBooks. If a payment is posted in QuickBooks, then you cannot modify or delete the payment in QuickBooks from the core. This is just a brief overview of the many features and possibilities of the Core 4. For more information on what the Core can do for you, please visit core4crm.com. Review the videos and documentation, and try a demo. Please contact us via email, phone, or browser forum if you have any additional questions. We look forward to hearing from you and automating your business to operate more efficiently.